Welcome to the GP Assessment tool. Running the tool can be completed in a few simple steps. Please note that a user can only run the assessment one time. The user's email address is used as their username and the address where instructions and results will be sent to. Once you fill in your information and click the Submit button, an email will be sent to the address you provided. That email will contain a link to log in and download the tool. Helpful hint: you will want to download and run the assessment tool on a computer where GP is installed. Once you log in, you can read more about what is required to run the tool. Then when you are ready, you can select the download button. The tool should be automatically placed in your downloads file on your computer. Remember to select the copy icon to copy your individualized token. Once downloaded, launch the executable and paste in your token. Next, you will enter in the name of your GP SQL Server instance as well as the username and password of a user that has at least read access to the GP system and company database you want to analyze. The SA password will have the required permissions. We would encourage the use of the SA user if available. Please note, you cannot use a GP account user. Next, click Connect to ensure that the tool can access the SQL Server and select the company or companies you wish to analyze. Next, if you suggest that you browse out to your dynamics.set file so the tool can read the additional ISV solutions you may have installed and are using. Now, simply select Run. The tool should take less than 1 minute to run on your system. Again, users do not need to log out of GP, so there's no need to schedule a time to run the tool in the evenings or the weekends. Once the tool is complete, you can view the type of information that is captured in the tool. Click the Send Result button and upload the results. Very shortly, you will receive an email indicating that your report is ready to view. Upon clicking on the link in the email, you can view the results of the assessment, but you don't need to analyze the results closely. We will do that for you. Once you have received the results, click on the share icon to send the results to Velosio. We will review the results and help you to build a plan for your journey to the cloud.